Today I'm going to be making egg croquette. Japanese people like croquette, we call it korokke, and we have a lot of varieties, and this is one of them. I think this is perfect for the Easter menu. Let's get started. Boil the eggs for 10 minutes and then chill in the icy cold water. Melt your unsalted butter in the pot. Add the bread flour and cook until making one lump. Pour in cold whole milk at one time. Switch to whisk and cook until bubbling. Stirring constantly and you can make a smooth bechamel sauce. Consistency a little bit thick compared to the regular bechamel sauce because this is going to be deep fried after all, so it should be firm. Cook until look like this and turn off the heat. Add powdered chicken soup and salt and pepper and mix until evenly seasoned. Mash your hard-boiled egg like you are making an egg salad. Add in 2/3 of the bechamel sauce we have just made. Mix well and transfer to a vat and chill in the fridge for an hour so that you can make it easy to eat in the croquette. Divide the egg mixture into 16 equal portions. Shape into like eggs. It's easy to work with if you are shaping in a small ping pong ball size. Now let's prepare the batter for frying. This batter sticks the panko breadcrumbs to the egg mixture well. Today I'm using egg white because I have a lot of leftover egg whites, but you can always use the whole egg. Mix well until you get the smooth thin batter. Dust your egg mixture with all-purpose flour all over the surface. Take one croquette with your right hand and dip into the batter, and then dust in the panko breadcrumbs with the left hand so that your hand will not get dirty and you don't have mess in your kitchen. Repeat the process. And then shape into egg shape again at this point. Heat the oil up to 190 degrees Celsius, a little bit higher than the usual temperature. Because we don't have to cook the inside, so we are going to cook just the outside. If you take time to deep fry, the egg mixture will flow. So we want to cook just the outside at the higher temperature to get the best result. And that's it! Transfer the egg croquette to a serving dish with a shredded lettuce leaves and the green vegetables to look like eggs in the nest. How cute is it? Crispy on the outside and fluffy and creamy inside. You will surprise your family and friends with this recipe. You can serve it as it is, or you can serve it with a tomato sauce. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching.